Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is natural and very elegant. Many women now choose to keep their grey hair because it looks classy, confident and modern. As we grow older, our hair can become thinner or a little dry. That is why choosing the right haircut is important. A good haircut can make you look fresh, stylish and younger. The first haircut idea is the short pixie cut. This haircut is very easy to manage. It is perfect for women who like simple and low maintenance styles. A pixie cut gives a smart and confident look. You only need a little combing and light styling and you are ready. The second idea is a layered bob cut. A bob cut never goes out of fashion. When you add soft layers and your hair look fuller and has no movement. Grey hair looks beautiful with a layered bob. It frames the face nicely and gives a soft and elegant look. Another great option is a shoulder length cut with layers. If you do not like very short hair, this style is perfect. It keeps some length but still looks neat and stylish. You can keep it straight for a clean look or add soft waves for a modern style. A blunt bob is also a very classic haircut. In this style, the haircut is straight at the ends. It looks neat and polished. Grey hair with a blunt bob looks powerful and stylish. For women who love longer hair, long layers as a good idea. Long grey hair looks graceful and beautiful. Just make sure to trim your hair regularly to keep it healthy. You can also add light curls to make it look fuller. Bangs are another simple way to change your look. Side bangs can make your face look softer and younger. They also help frame the face nicely. Curtain bangs are also trendy and look very pretty with grey hair. Now let's talk about hair care. Grey hair needs extra moisturize. Use a good conditioner to keep it soft and smooth. You can also use hair oil once or twice a week. If your hair gray strands look yellow, you can also use a purple shampoo sometimes to keep the color bright and shiny. Do not be afraid to try a new haircut. Age is just a number. You can still look stylish and modern. Always talk to a professional hairstyle before cutting your hair. They can suggest the best style for your face shape and hair type. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.